Very good standard for a typical Nasi Kandar. 8.2.
Jason gave this Nasi Kandar a whopping 8.2 out of 10. Yo mei yo. Finally giving Lunchbear a try myself. RM15 per plate, not the cheapest Nasi Kandar but okay lah for TTDI. The taste, damn good. The kuah campur is sedap, salty but not sour, well balanced sweetness, and most importantly it's a little spicy. Most Nasi Kandar I've tried isn't usually spicy, but this one got a kick I really like. The ayam goreng didn't seem like it was from a fresh batch, but it's still warm and the meat is really tender and juicy. The size is also quite huge, so if you have a small tummy you might struggle a bit. This plate also comes with some well prepared kubis, half a salted egg, a huge cabai, and a skinny bendy. But overall I kinda get why Jason gave it an 8.2. It's sedap and I'll definitely come back for more.